Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Omolola Jenia of Oreo First Vlog. Thank you. Today we are making easy, lovely salad recipe. How to make your salad last longer in the fridge. This is what we are doing today in this video. Now this is my cabbage. I love to use the bread knife in cutting my cabbage so that it can be in smaller pieces and so that it can be so nice and so crunchy to eat. This is the knife I am showing you. So if you don't have this knife, you can also get a table knife and you can cut it gently and quietly. Also, this salad is going to be washed. You can use salt or vinegar. Wash it for a minimum of 2 minutes in the water, and once you're done, kindly please use a salad drainer. But if you don't have a salad drainer, you can pour it in a sieve and leave it for a minimum of 5 minutes so that all the water from the washing can drain in the sieve. The reason why you have to do this is this salad needs to last for a week, so your salad shouldn't have any water in it. So this is what I have done in this video. And this is my cucumber that has been washed. I am cutting them and I'm going to cut them. I want it to be in cubes so that it will be very easy to eat for myself and for the kids. I love to grate my carrots when making salad or coleslaw. This is because in carrot there are a lot of fluid in it. So with this grater, with this particular shape, it helps me to squeeze out all the water in it. This is part of the thing that makes the salad to last longer, because if there are no liquid in it, your salad is going to last longer. So in this video, I have shown you how I drain out all the excess fluid from my carrots so that the salad would not be watery and it can last longer in the fridge for a minimum of 1 week. This salad can last up to 10 days. I'm using the tin sweet corn and the green peas. And for my coleslaw, the password for making it nice is the green peas, because it has a way of marinating into the salad and has a way of making it taste very lovely, even without adding sugar. My salad is sugar free. I do not add sugar to my salad because while making all this tin product, there are sugars being added to it. So I do not need to add this sugar to it. So what I do is to make sure I properly drain the water from my sweet corn and the water from my green peas so as to make it dry. And with this, your salad can last longer. Trust me, it will last longer if you try this method. The salad dressing, I use the English salad dressing, I use my mayonnaise, and I use a drop of ketchup. Please don't let the ketchup must not be too much. You just need a drop. And this is me. This is my washed and drained cabbage. This is my sweet corn, my peas, my cucumber. So I give it a thorough mix. I mix it all together. If you also have anything you want to add to this, you can also add to this. This is me adding my carrot to it. You can add any other thing you want to add. You can even add spaghetti. You can add tuna. You can add your egg. I am adding egg to this. So you can add different things depending on what you want. But the essence of this video is ensuring that you make it well. You drain out all the water so that you can have a salad that will last for a week. This is it. This is the bowl I am eating for a week. This is the one I have set aside, and this is the one I made. This is the leftover of what I made today, and that is what I'm going to put my salad cream on. And also, this is the way I portioned it for myself and the kids, and I'll just put it in the fridge. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Assist your sister here. Subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye. For my salad dressing, I use ends, I use mayonnaise, and I use ketchup. The mayonnaise is and the ends is more, and the ketchup is just a. Here, this is my washed salad that has been washed and drained, and I had my sweet corn that has also been drained, and also I add my green beans. This makes the salad go to the next level. Green beans makes your salad go to the next level. Also, this is my carrot that has also been drained. You can see how dry it is. This is my cucumber. And now what I do is just to add the slice of bread and I mix it up. I mix this up. Well, after mixing this up, you can then put it in a bowl and set it aside in the fridge. This is what I have done, and this is the bowl I am eating for this week. So this is what I have done for this week for my family, and this is what I'm serving now with rice for the kids. And this is the portion I made. This is what we are eating tonight, and this is the way I portioned it in the fridge. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also please try this recipe. It is very nice and very good. You would love it, I promise you that. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye. See you next time.